Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join a Jurassic Blocky Discord server. Now the first thing I want you to do, if you're on your PC, click here on the left hand panel, scroll all the way down on Discover. I'll show you how to do this on your phone as well. Now, once you're here on your servers, I want you to click on this magnifying glass at the top right, and we're able to use the search feature. So just search for Jurassic Blocky, okay? Just search it up, and then I want you to click on this one. As you can see, about 35,000 members right now, 34,500. You just click on it, and then you click on Join Jurassic Blocky. So come here, click on Join right there, and we are in. And if you are on your phone, okay, you can just use this URL, discord.com/invite/Jurassic Blocky. So that's the invite code. Of course, you can just type this in as well right here when you scroll down and click on add a server. Okay, this is the invite link. Click on join a server, and then you use the link right there. Okay, click on join. Otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.